Well, we are back again. Sorry, that might have been a little loud. And I'm going to just access the keys I already have, so I'm going to LS this. And as you can see right here, I have the Bandit Labs passes, so we're going to CD into that. Bandit Labs dash pass. And then I'm going to LS again, off keys, so we're going to cat that. We already learned all this stuff, so you guys know. This is the password for number 4. I'm working a little bit ahead so I can effectively show you guys easier everything in an informative way. I'm just going to clear this. We're going to go up to number 4 there. And we're going to password in. And we're in. So, the password for the next level is stored in the only human readable file in the in here directory. So, ls, we got in here right there. So what we're going to do for this one is find dot dash type f for file dash exec, and we're going to file special brackets and plus, and then we're going to pipe this command. This is where things kind of get a little bit more complicated, honestly. Dash I, and then we're going to do text. So what this does essentially is finds all regular files recursively from the current directory. And you'll see that this is probably going to be a problem in a second. After it finds all the regular files recursively, it runs the file command on all files found, and then filters out output to show only files that are text, or like ASCII, UTF, Unicode text. And you see that we have some different things here, but that's because we're not in this directory specifically. So let's cd in there, or in here rather, and run the same command again. Now we only have file 7 and file 00. But this one says non-ISO extended ASCII text with no line terminators with overstriking. So I'm going to assume that one is not what we want, because we want human readable files, right? So we're going to cat dot / dash file 07, and there we go. Another password down. We're going to copy that. We're going to control D out of here. We're going to go press the up key, and we are going to go to Bandit Labs 5. And from here, we are going to copy and paste the password and go on to the next one. For this one, it wants us to find the password is stored somewhere under the in here directory and has all the following properties: human readable, 1033 bytes in size, and not executable, of course, right? So what we need to do essentially is first, not cd, ls, cd in here, and what we do, like I said, is find in the current directory, which is a dot, a file which is type F. So find a file type F, or type is F, but F stands for file, right? Okay. Sorry, that might have been a little confusing. The type is F, which is file. If that makes sense now. Sorry. Anyway, and then with a size of 1033 C space not dash executable. And look at that. This is what pops up. We're going to copy and paste that because I'm going to assume that is what we're looking for. Oh, we don't want to CD it. We want to cat it, right? And look at that, guys. We got her. It did some weird stuff there with all this space, but that's essentially that's what you got to do. And again, we'll go over this. So once we CD'd in here, we just find in the directory, type F file, so a file, and with the size of 1033, and C, which is like, bytes, and then it's not dash executable, so it's not an executable file, and then we got our password. And again, I don't know why I did this. It's probably just like how my window is sized and everything else, but, and then we're gonna, again, Control D out of this. We're gonna go back over here, remove the 5, type 6, go to the level 6 one, 6 to 7 anyway, and copy and paste that in there, wait for us to load in, and then we are going to go to 6 to 7. For this one, the password for the next level is stored somewhere on the server and has all the following properties: owned by user, Bandit 7, owned by group, Bandit 6, and is, again, 33 bytes in size. So for this one, we're going to do find /. This is for the root directory, type file F, and then we're going to type -user, search by the user, Bandit 7, type -group for Bandit 6, for the group Bandit 6, -size 33C, and then this last part's a little weird. This is, I think so far this is a lot easier to understand than the 4 to 5 level and some of the other ones, because obviously these are all human readable words in a sense. You got find, you got type, you got user, you got group, so it's a little, and then of course size, so it's a little bit easier for the human mind to understand, I think. But this part here is like one of those things, again, that's kind of not super understandable. As 2 is greater than /dev /null. Okay, and what this does is it suppresses permission errors from directories you can't access. So basically, if you're not like the super user, sudo or whatever else, you can't access a file, it's going to suppress the warnings or the errors, not like warning. It's going to make your job easier. You won't get a bunch of gobbledygook messing with your day. So it's something to think about. And we get var lib dpk g info bandit7.password. So now we can just cat that. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste this after we type the cat command. And look at there, guys, another password. This one can be done another way. I'm pretty sure it can be done another way, but this is the way I would do it. It's just easier. And this right here is a little bit confusing, I think, for some people, because, yeah. But anyway, like I said, this is where we're going to cut off this video, and feel free to come back and subscribe and come back, rather, to see the rest of these. I will go through all of these, and there'll be a different video. Hopefully I'll have one posted for every day, but if not, it'll be a couple a week or something like that until we get through all of them, and from that point we'll go on to different war games, and I'm sure that I'll post some stuff from Try Hack Me or Hack the Box at a later date once I get through all of these. And yeah, you guys have a great day. Go ahead and leave comments in the comment section if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer them to the best of my ability. And as always, if you're struggling on this, it's just better to look it up and read a little bit about it. You're going to learn a lot more than if you struggle for 20 minutes on something that actually is kind of simple. You just don't understand it. Okay? Take it easy, everybody.